What's up YouTube friends, Mr. Gizmo here. If you're on your E46 M3, you use your rear windows and you open them and they rattle. It's in this part here. It's really easy to take off. There's a cone right here. You just pry off right here with a screwdriver. And then you can see there's a ball and a little cup that you just pop out toward the back of the car. And then I know it's really hard to see, but you would notice that there is actually an O-ring here, and there's one missing right here. There's a groove for it, and that's what creates that space that makes it rattle. What I found that works are these rubber O-rings. They're nitrile rubber O-rings that I got on Amazon. These are actually the same size that I used on the S2K oil dipstick when it was popping out, and these are 10mm outer diameter, 6mm inner diameter, and they're 2mm wide. I'm going to put that rubber O-ring there. You can see it's right there on the end. I'm going to pop it back into the ball. Get the cone back on. The cone goes on kind of one way. It's slotted. You just have to rotate it, press it on, and then the window doesn't rattle anymore. Alright, hopefully that helps. See you in the next one.